Alright, so in this test we're gonna try to finish the last two questions on the test on this part of the test, question 19 and 20. So 19 gives us a quadratic equation of a parabola. So y equal to x squared minus 10x plus k. If k is a constant, the equation expresses a parabola in the xi that is tangent to the x-axis. What is the value of k? Okay, so for number 90, so we have y equal to x squared minus 10x plus k. So because this parabola is tangent to the x-axis. Okay, which mean that y equal to 0 has one solution. Okay, only one solution, which means that the delta of y is equal to 0. Okay, so because p is tangent to x-axis, so y equal to 0 is one solution, which means that delta is equal to 0. So which means that b squared is minus 10 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is k is equal to 0. Okay, it's equal to 0. So which means that 100 minus 4k is equal to 0. So k is 25. Okay, okay, so number 20. What is one possible solution to this equation? Okay, so 20. So we have to solve the equation. So 22 over x plus 3 minus 6 over x minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so the condition is x has to be different from negative 3 and also 2, right? X has to be different from negative 3 and 2, right? So okay, so let's solve it by making the common denominator. So 22 times x minus 2 over x plus 3 times x minus 2 minus 6 times x plus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 2. So we're going to make the common denominator is equal to 1. So this means that, okay, so this means that 22 x minus 44, okay, so over this denominator. Okay, so they have the same denominator, so I kind of you can group them together because they have the same denominator. So that's 6x plus 18. Okay, so over the same denominator is equal to 1. So you can group them out like this. So they have common denominator, so we can delete this the denominator here and just subtract the numerator. Okay, like this. Okay, so this means that, if we expand things a little bit, we're gonna got the answer, right? So this side we have it should be okay 22x minus 16x minus 6 62 right. So 62, yeah 62 but over, so in the denominator we have x squared plus 3x minus 2x plus x minus 6, right, is equal to 1. Okay, so this is hard, this is quite hard solution. So which means because the denominator over the numerator is equal to 1, so we have that the denominator and the numerator has to be equal, right? Okay, so these two terms is equal. So we can, we can make it change a little bit. So we have the x squared minus 15x and plus how much? 56 is equal to 0, right? So just you change things around a little bit. So this is equal to x minus 7 times x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so I gotta factor out for you. So so that is this is x squared minus 7x. Okay, so minus 8x minus 56 is equal to 0, which means that x outside, x minus 7 minus 8 outside, x minus 7 is also equal to 0. So so we can conclude that x is equal to 7 or x is equal to 8, right? So the answer is 7 or 8, okay? 7 or 8. Okay, and because this solution satisfy x different from minus 3 and 2, so they are legit solution. So for number 19 we have 25, and for 20 we have 7 and 8, so let's check it out. So 19 we have 25, and for 20 we have 7 and 8, right? 25, and for that 28 we have 7 and 8, so that's a legit answer. So thank you very much for watching this episode. So see you on the next episode.